Hey y'all, it's Chef C, episode 4. And today we are making my favorite thing to eat right now, y'all. Steak! I love steak so much, and of course I have the perfect recipes, so I'm finna show y'all how to make my steak. And yeah, we finna get right into it. Y'all, so this real simple. You just need a few ingredients. You need some oil. So y'all know I like to keep my oil in a spray bottle. You need salt, pepper, lemon pepper, and butter. That's it. Alright, one more thing. I forgot about the steak seasoning. So yes, you need steak seasoning. And I like this stew steak because it already be pretty much chopped up, but there are still a few pieces that I need to cut. So I'm setting those on the table, and then the rest I'm putting in a pan. Now it's time to cut those pieces up. So once you get them all cut up, you're going to spray oil on top of the steak. So then you're going to start with the seasonings. So I do go in with the salt and pepper first. I started with pepper and it was salt, and then that's when I'm going to go in with my lemon pepper and then my steak seasoning. So I like to sprinkle this lemon pepper on my fingers for some reason, but that's optional. So once I get all my seasonings on, I go back in with the oil, and then I go in with some butter. Y'all, there's some non-dairy butter, of course, but of course you use anything that you eat. So if you eat dairy or gluten or whatever, just because I don't eat it do not mean that you have to alter your recipe. Okay, so I just put it in the oven, and y'all, the secret is 15 minutes. So I got my oven on 370, and again, 15 minutes. And y'all, we're gonna be back for the result. I'm gonna show y'all how it look and everything. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so here we are. Perfect. So perfect. And y'all, it's gonna be so good, but that's all we got for today's video. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye.